Okay, another just quick video to cover day of service. This one's pretty close to what we've done the last few years, so not a lot of updates on this, but just wanted to kind of have a refresher. For starters, we will have a school assembly on Tuesday during B lunch. And it'll be the same as last year where I cover all of the different service projects with our students. And then Wednesday morning, first thing, um, sign up start, and they have to have that permission slip is what gets them a spot in that on that team, on that service team. So if you will please make sure that you are at the assembly on Tuesday during B lunch. We'll also have important information there. So you will be receiving editing rights to this spreadsheet, and this is a master list. um, and you can see where we're at. The service project, the highlighted ones over here we have confirmed, which is a lot from last year. We're still working on the raking teams. We don't have we're still waiting to hear back on for the rakes, but everything else is pretty much the same. If you are the first person faculty sponsor listed, you are going to be in charge of populating the spreadsheet for us. So let's just take the first one, the nursing home. We have allotted 90 spots for the nursing home. So you'll put the student's name, their grade level, and then it just put an X in there if they have their permission slip returned. So like for Miss Carricker, when she fills this out, she's got 12 spots, and so please don't add any spots. And then you get like over here with Mr. Plant, he's got multiple businesses. He's got 5 spots to TM Lumber, 3 spots to Valero, and so forth. So that's how we fill out this spreadsheet where we know where all the kids are at going. From there, once we get them in here, then I'll take them and populate it into a master spreadsheet so that we're able to sort and know where every kid is on that day. But anyway, so master sheet kind of showing the different service projects. But then what I need you to do is, as kids turn in those permission slips, if you will please populate this spreadsheet for us. So that's really it on day of service. If you'll please make sure you're at the school assembly during B lunch, and then if you are in charge of populating the spreadsheet, that's the instructions for that. So thank you for your time.